Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. How are you? How are you? Yes, Mr. Django. Yes, Mr. Django. Today we are going to make Afropop. Afropop, guys. Chingezi, chingezi. Afropop. Ndoye tiri kurova nhasi. So, tifambire nyaya dzacho tuone kuti zvakamira sei, zvakamira sei. Zvakamira sei, zvakamira sei, zvakamira sei. Fambire nyaya dzacho. So rova afropop yedu nhasi, rova afropop yedu. So noenda kuma drum loops ako, drum loops ako, then wotsvaga sini rako rodoshandisa nditika. For example, you check your any sound you want to use. So let me go here, then here, then here, drum loops, then here, Twitter C, but then then here, see ndo masina unoshandisa acho kugadzira nawo beat yo. You see, so apa toita C already ne scene randashandisa kugadzira beat ndori apa iyi. Yeah, ndo something andashandisa kugadzira beat maketa. So ndo munyatu wacho. Okay, so tapedza ipapo tapedza ipapo unonga wakushanda une pattern, that is my editing apo. So here panamba strings, we have strings here. So those strings is coming from Purity here. The strings here. Then what's aroma strings unoda ndiwaya. Then ongweso ma something. Then you add something like melody. You see this one, this sound is coming from that plugin. This one. So okay, then I have another one. You see, yeah, that one. See this one. You see, so that is this one. You see, this one. Yes. Then we have this one. You see. Then we have this one. You see, it's easy if you have drum patterns. You see, so manje beat read up here. Just now our beat is still complete, near complete. Let me do like this. Here, perfect. Here's our beat. Here's it. You see? Perfect. So sometimes you want to add many things. You can do what you want. You can do. And do what you want, you see? Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Then you open your piano roll. Open your piano roll. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. But you put volume a little bit. Something like that. Yeah, so easy. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. You see, more one. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next day on my next tutorial. I love you guys. I love you.